Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable IEEE 802.1X Authentication in Windows 11 using the latest settings method. This feature is used to secure your Ethernet connection with authentication. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Here you'll see the second option called Ethernet. Click on it. Scroll down, and you'll find an option called Authentication Settings. Click the Edit button. A new window will appear named Ethernet Authentication Settings. Here, simply check or enable the option Enable IEEE 802.1X Authentication. Once you click Enable, the feature will be activated successfully. And that's all. You've now enabled 802.1X Authentication in Windows 11 for your Ethernet connection. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and security guides.